that one
And
has like a big high rise, says RT line
hold
management
on,
experts.
let me go to YouTube because that one's really not very. I think I got 12 subscribers on that one. I just started it. I had a bunch of people that wanted me to start posting videos of doing what I do with my big skid steer and how I make my living. We also do we 3D print and laser engrave and let's see if I can find this RTK
Yeah, and then you can
land.
post it in the chat, and then I'll bring it, make sure I get the right one.
Yeah, land management. Manage. Yeah. All right. So it'll have a big yellow skid steer with a red roof on it.
Big yellow. I got with a red roof.
Yep. It's a cat. It says cat right on the side of it. It's this picture. It's like a cat skid steer with a mulcher on the front.
Oh yeah, okay. Cat 299 D3.
Yep, that's me.